The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2014 through 2023 Jeep Cherokee with the factory installed raised side rails. We've just installed the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero base rack system. This is utilizing the 50-inch long crossbars, part number VA126B, and the mounting leg SX100. So overall you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and a crossbar spacing of about 32 inches center to center. So really a great versatile system for carrying all sorts of gear like bikes, kayaks, and cargo. So this has just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple of clicks, please visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.